Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Bitcoin, let's just take it out to the weekly and get a bit of a higher time frame perspective. We're at a critical level right now. If we break this low and it fails under here, my target is going to be 20k pretty much. Take it down to the daily. I just want to show you a couple of things. You have to look at this from a liquidity standpoint and just how bigger players trade the markets. We've got, before that, we've got this move here. Strong sell. Got a price gap through here. Price gap through here. Just looking at these candles going from the previous candle low down to the candle after the high. Thin liquidity, and I mean the market trades back through these gaps generally, so I'm always on the lookout for whenever we see these thin candles. It's going to trade back up potentially. This move here traps traders short. A lot of traders got caught short in here. They got caught out, and you got to look at this from, like, bigger players have an enormous amount of capital to manage. They can't just suddenly decide, okay, boys or girls or whatever, we're gonna short the market. They can't just dump however many millions of dollars worth of capital. To sell it, you're gonna need the opposite. You need buy orders. So they push the market around for sure. We all know that the markets are manipulated. They trap shorts in here. Consider it from a liquidity standpoint. There's a build-up of liquidity above this range and all the way down here in the form of stop losses. And then we have buyers getting involved. It wicks up into this range here, taking out these stops, creates a double top, and this builds more liquidity through this level. Okay, we've got buyers and sellers jumping in all over the place, and this is a liquidity sweep. They take out these guys. They need that to give them that. Take profits. Fake out, shake out, and then the market trends. So what I'm looking at here is they've already kind of cleaned up this level through here. It's traded down. We have a fairly thin leg through here, more or less. This price gap. My thinking is, do we get a move back? This range through here, this entire level through here, this is ripe for the taking all through here. I'd be interested in looking for a short opportunity. Like, consider it from a liquidity standpoint. We've got this range up, well, this area up here, and then we've got shorts, stop losses set up all through here. Okay, so it's ripe for the picking, and it makes sense to me that if they want to tank this market down to 20,000, they're going to need to whip it back into, in my opinion, up around in here somewhere to load up, to be able to go where they want to go with it. Right, that's my thinking here. I could be completely wrong, but I'm not getting involved short around here yet. If we see a break and retest of the low, that could get me involved, right? So if this kind of messes around in here and we see that and it rotates here, then I could look for a short, because I know that given this, how important this low is, if we start trading under here, panic is going to set in a big way. And I mean, yeah, the market will tank, and my target is going to be, there it is down here around the 20k handle. That would be it. So at the moment, we're currently ranging, obviously, through here. And anywhere where you see the market consolidating, it's building liquidity above and below the range. So I think for me, I mean, this is going to be a key level here. See how we go with that. Down to the 4-hour chart. I don't want to get in. I don't want to get involved counter trend trading that, because I mean, you know, how far back does it trade? You know, we've got these levels here to consider. So, you know, how far back this trades, who knows? I don't want to get involved counter trend with this. So I think for me, the only way I would get involved would be, yeah, I'm interested in this level up here. So, you know, you could set an alert up there if you want to alert you if the market trades back into this level. And then above here, you've got resting liquidity. So just keep an eye on this pattern that I showed you before. All right, let's just draw it out to see if that sets up in through here somehow. Okay, so we've got this short down here trapping traders already. That's already happened. It trades back up. Well, there's a bit of a double top set up already. Trades back up. We see a bit of a double top. Comes back down. I mean, this is the kind of thing I'm looking for. Does that make any sense? I don't like that drawing tool. Let's just try something else. No, it's not significant. It's not significant. We do have relative equal highs here. We've got a bit of a move above it, but it's not significant for me. There it is through here. I mean, there's a level here. There's a level here. Yeah, I won't be touching this unless we see that, and then I'll be shorting it from up here. Stop loss above. Look left and stop loss above. Short. Set my limit orders through here. That's what I'll be interested in. If it doesn't, then the only other time I'm going to get involved with this is a break, retest, and fail of this low. I think that's my take on Bitcoin, guys. It's not an easy gig, this one at the moment. Be careful. With that, click my links below the video. There's a link to my Discord. You're welcome to join. It's free. A lot going on in there. And yeah, I'll call it a day with this one, and be careful. Trade safe. See you in the next video.